4 years ago, a new Titan tradition was born. Titan Convocation was reimagined as a student-focused event to make you rhyme.
I know you see us. You want to be us. 60 years of taking tests and writing up a thesis.
To make you sing and dance.
I just want to have a good time. Turn around, then slide. Swirl yourself to the right.
To make you tick and talk.
Wipe it down. Wipe it.
To make you inspired.
There's no such thing as reaching too high. And if someone ever tells you that, succeed on your own terms anyways.
To make you Titans. This year, the bar has been raised even higher with 2 convocation events. All are invited to both. But if you're faculty and staff, don't miss this in-person State of the University in Mang Hall. And if you're a student, don't miss this one. I'm just a narrator, but I know I'll be at both. That's how I convocation. How do you?